How to change credit card on Cash App. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In this video I will show you how you can change your credit card or add another debit card to your Cash App. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to replace our credit card, first of all you want to simply make sure to launch the Cash App, and then you want to make sure to come to this dollar tab from the bottom left hand side of the screen. After you come to that tab, you'll come to this page successfully, and here you'll find the option that says linked accounts. So all you have to do is to just go to the option that says linked accounts. Once you go to linked accounts, here you'll be able to see all of the debit as well as account and credit cards that you've added so far on Cash App. So since in this video we're learning to change our Cash App credit card, we will just choose the option called credit card. As you tap on it, at the bottom you'll find the option called replace card. All you have to do is just tap on the replace card option. Now you have to simply make sure to enter your new credit card details and the numbers that you want to replace it with. Make sure to enter the CVC as well as the security code, and once you've done that, you will be able to see this credit card icon here. We can see previously we had another, now we have another, which means that we have successfully changed our credit card on Cash App. That's all it takes to change your credit card on Cash App. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.